So how do we get information on how a track was made in the genome browser at SoyBase? This is pretty easy. Each track on GBrowse has this orange bar, and inside the orange bar you'll see a series of 5 glyphs. One of those glyphs is a question mark, and when you mouse over it, it says about this track. If you click that, it'll open up a window which will give you more information on how the track was actually created. In this case, it tells you that soybean gene sequences were downloaded from GenBank. It was mapped to the genome using GMap with the following switches. It also tells you that hits greater of 80% identity and 80% query coverage were included. And a lot of times it'll also give you some more information, in this case about what the glyphs mean and what the colors mean. In this case, a red color means there was at least one additional alignment in the genome that had 80% identity and 80% coverage. In this case, you could click on a red glyph and a contextual menu would come up, and one of those items would be show similar sequences, and it would take you to the other sequence in the genome where that particular gene sequence was also mapped. The glyphs in black means that there was no other alignments greater than 80% identity and 80% coverage, and thus it is a unique mapping of that sequence to the genome. This has been a SoyBase production. For more information about SoyBase, go to www.soybase.org.